Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel and make videos for the internet. Or maybe you just want to edit that vacation video and you don't want to use a computer, or maybe you don't have a nice computer. Well, Adobe Premiere Rush gives you a lot of functionality. It gives you a lot of really powerful tools to make videos on your smartphone. And today we're going to jump in and show you guys how to get started with episode 1 of my Adobe Premiere Rush video series on mobile. Let's jump down to the phone and show you guys how to get started. Okay guys, so to start, you're going to need APK Pure. You're going to want to go ahead and download the APK Pure app. This makes the entire process of installing Adobe Premiere Rush significantly easier once you have this installed. Adobe and then Premiere Rush. So that's all pretty simple. Once you have Adobe Premiere Rush installed, you're gonna need to sign in. Now I pay for an Adobe account because I pay for Adobe Premiere Pro to use on my laptop. But that allows me to sync a lot of footage between my phone and my laptop or my Adobe account pretty seamlessly. So I have a project that I've been working on. It does a lot of this does kind of depend on your internet connection to work that well, or at least in my experience it does. But to start a new project, we're going to go to create a new project, add media, and you're going to pick a clip that you have. You're going to name that project. And if you have and you pay for Adobe Premiere, you're going to want to go ahead and use Sync with CC. Now, we're not going to actually create a project. We're going to work on this project that I currently have, and I'm going to show you guys basics of how to get started when editing your first project in Adobe Premiere Rush. So here we have our timeline. Now we have footage added already, but let's go ahead and I want to add some more footage. Now this is from a recent motorcycle trip I did, and this is when we were at the border with Laos. But you might have a project with nothing on it. So to go ahead and begin adding media, you're going to go to that blue plus icon, go to Media, Videos, if you want to go ahead and add video. And here I have all of the video files essentially on my phone. And this is from this recent trip I did. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this intro to Adobe Premiere Rush on mobile. Make sure you hit subscribe to see the next video where I show you guys how to slow clips down and use speed ramping. If you guys have questions or comments for me, go ahead and either hit me up in Twitter or go ahead and leave me a comment in the section down below. And let's hop back to this video. Now, once you have the portion of the clip that you want added, you go ahead and hit the plus icon, and then that adds this to this little roll. Add, and now it's going to go ahead and add this to your timeline. We can go ahead and actually change the length of each clip. So for example here, hold it, wait for the fat orange bars to move away, and adjust.
And we have to take pictures to prove that we were there. So enjoy some photography.
Now, if we want to go ahead and change the position of this clip, we long press, hold on to the clip, and now we can go ahead and add this clip on top of another clip. Just by long press, holding, and then when you let go, it goes to the end of the track. Now, if you want to, let's say, only have clips and none of the volume from that clip, well, that's pretty easy. You go ahead, long press a clip, separate audio, long press on the audio, and then you can go ahead and delete the audio from that clip. So as you can see here in portions of this, all we have is that background music, and we don't have any of the audio that came with the original track. Clicking on this little button here expands it so that you can see all of the layers. You can lock layers, and this is a more traditional editing kind of look for the timeline. This changes the aspect ratio for the video that you're shooting. So 16:9 is what general video is. If we want to add music to our clip, we're going to add audio, and Adobe has a bunch of free and copyright free stuff, along with loops that you can go ahead and add to something. Now, if you want to add sound effects, Adobe also provides you a bunch of free sound effects, copyright free and stuff like that, that you can add right in Adobe Premiere Rush. So that's going to wrap up this first portion of Adobe Premiere Rush, kind of how to use it. This is just kind of how to get started, add music, and trim clips. If you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And if you guys like my mobile filmmaking series, let me know in the comment section down below. Well, this video is over. If you guys want to go ahead and see the video that I am making in Adobe Premiere Rush on my phone, hit the subscribe button. If you want to check out a video about mobile photography, go ahead and click this video over here. And if you guys want to check out a video about some headphones, click out this video over here.